Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major. For today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make the best, crispiest baked chicken wing recipe. We're going to bake these chicken party wings right in the oven, and then we're going to toss them up in this delicious homemade sauce. These wings are perfect for game day and Super Bowl. So without further ado, let's make it major. All the information and ingredients are down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. For where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. I'm baking about 4 pounds of chicken wings with 4 different delicious sauces. So about 1 pound of chicken wings per sauce. We're going to bake these wings instead of frying for a healthier twist. First, I'm going to clean the chicken wings. Then I'm going to put the wings in a brine solution consisting of water, salt, lemon, and sugar. You could brine the chicken overnight or for 1 hour. Remove chicken from the brine and pat completely dry. Now let's season the wings with some salt, pepper, and Morton's Nature Season. I'm not using that much seasoning because we're going to sauce up the wings and we do not want to over season them. Next, place your wings on a single layer on a wire rack, making sure to leave space in between each wing to ensure even cooking. We're going to bake these wings on 400 degrees for 55 minutes, flipping them halfway through. I can't seem to find my wire rack, so I'm going to bake the other half of the wings on parchment paper. It's been about 25 minutes or so I'm going to flip the wings over and place them back in the oven for the remainder 25 minutes. Now while that's baking, let's work on these 4 delicious sauces. First up is one of my favorites, sticky Asian wings. In a skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 head of garlic, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Now we're going to saute this for a couple of minutes. Next, pour in a half a cup of low sodium soy sauce because we don't want that extra salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Put in a little splash of sesame oil and a half a tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and stir the sauce very well until done. Now place your wings in a mixing bowl and pour all that sticky Asian sauce all over your wings. Make sure the sauce is on every single corner of your chicken wing. They should look something like this. Okay family, this is so good. Let's snap a picture. These sticky Asian baked wings are sure to be a hit at your next party or game day celebration. Next up, another one of my favorite chicken wing recipe, garlic Parmesan chicken wings. This is a classic appetizer. In a skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Now add 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 head of minced garlic, and 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Add in 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley and mix all together. Taste mixture to see if you want to add any additional Parmesan cheese. Next, pour all that yummy garlic Parmesan sauce all over your wings and toss them. I don't have a lid for this bowl, so I'm just going to use some foil as my lid and toss and shake the wings until evenly coated. And this is how it should look. Delicious. Bake to golden perfection and then toss in a savory garlic Parmesan sauce. Now this is the perfect wing appetizer, so let's snap a picture. This looks really good. Up next, for this chicken wing appetizer, we're going to turn the heat up a little bit with a tropical twist. Spicy mango chicken wings. They didn't have any mangoes at my local grocery store, so I had to improvise and get some frozen mango. But if you can find some fresh mangoes, grab 1 or 2 mangoes. In a blender, add in 2 cups of mango and 1 red chili pepper. I'm using 1 because I don't want it that spicy, but if you love the heat, add up to 3. Then add 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and a pinch of sweet paprika. I'm going to blend everything in my Ninja on Ultra Blend. Blend until smooth and well combined. In a skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1/2 cup of honey. Now pour your mango mixture in. Simmer for a couple of minutes until the sauce is nice and smooth and thick. I added a little bit of brown sugar because I'm so sweet. Now add your wings to the mixture and coat them very well. Once coated, we're going to place our wings in the oven on parchment paper for 8 minutes on 400 degrees so the sauce can fully stick to the wing, and then we're going to broil them for 2 additional minutes. Remove your wings from the oven and add in some chopped parsley on top, and you're all done. Ooh wee, I am so ready to eat this now. I can really smell the mangoes and the pepper and the garlic. It smells so good. You know the drill, let's snap a picture. Okay family, last but not least, we're going to make the ultimate root beer barbecue wings. Now grab your favorite barbecue sauce. I am using Sweet Heat Barbecue and A&W root beer. Add 1 cup of barbecue sauce to your skillet. Now I'm going to start off with 8 ounces of root beer and add any additional root beer if needed. I'm gonna taste as I go and adjust. Okay, 8 ounces was good for me. Everything tastes well. Now I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and a splash of W sauce. I also added a pinch of garlic powder and onion powder and a little bit of salt and pepper. Now simmer your sauce until thickens, something like our man. Now place your wings on parchment paper and broil in the oven for a couple of minutes and garnish with some chopped parsley. And voila, we're all done family. Your wings should look something like this. Now let's snap a picture. Next, I'm going to bake some fries to go with these irresistible wings. This was my first time trying these fries and I really loved them. I line all the wings and fries on this platter for game day. So for the Super Bowl, you can make your plate and watch the game. Now family, tell me in the comments, which chicken wings are you grabbing first? Will it be the root beer barbecue, or the sticky Asian wings, or the spicy mango, or the classic garlic Parmesan wings? Either way family, you can't go wrong. Oh, this looks so good. Let's snap a picture. I also made a spicy honey mustard sauce. In a bowl, just combine 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 minced garlic clove, 1/2 teaspoon of that cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard. Mix very well, chill, and serve. These wings are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside and bursting with flavor. These 4 delicious wing sauce are irresistible and it's great for any occasion and game day. But I want to tell you, make your plate first because these wings will disappear fast. Well family, it's been fun. Thanks for watching my video and make sure you go around and look at some of my videos on my playlist. My taste buds are definitely impressed and you and your family are going to enjoy these wings. Until the next delicious encounter family, I will see you again real soon next time on Everything's Major. God bless you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. everything's major.